This is the award-winning Lee Pitts Live.
Welcome back, Southwest Florida. We're here at the Art and Poetry Networking event at the Sidney and Boren Davis Art Center, downtown Fort Myers. Marco Cruz, Brian Franklin, my main men, are putting this on tonight. We're going to get a chance to talk to some poets. We'll see some poetry as well. And we'll get a chance to talk to the DJ who makes it all come alive here at the Art and Poetry Night. Right now, we get a chance to talk to the box office manager, Sidney and Boren Davis. He is no stranger to anybody. That's Cornell Bunting. You've seen him on the show, our British fashionista. Fashion man here. Cornell, what's up, man?
Not much, man.
You the man.
It's good to see you again, man. Looking good as usual.
You're the man, the myth, and the legend. Hey, Cornell, I will never be able to outdo you, man. Look at you looking like John Shaft. Hey, you ever heard John Shaft, man?
I heard that.
He wore that leather outfit back in the 60s, man.
Come out looking smooth.
70s and those black exploitation movies.
Yeah.
Shaft.
Oh, man.
Man, you're a role model for me, man. You really have contributed to this community in a huge way, and I want people to know that I have the utmost respect for this guy here.
I appreciate that.
And it's something about you, man. When people come into your midst and they leave you, they feel better for having met you, man. Your effervescent smile and the whole works.
Yes.
Tell us in your background, how did you get that type of, personality where you just seem to love people and children?
You know, I started teaching back in Jamaica, and I said, this is not me. I needed to do something where I'm meeting people, and so I did hospitality for 2 years down there. Ended up doing 16 years, but the love for people, man, and just seeing new faces come in and just hearing their different stories is lovely. So for me, it puts a smile on my face,
Now, a lot of people know you as the renowned artist for A Lion That Roared,
yes.
The Lion That Had No Roar.
Yes.
And they're seeing you here in this setting, and I introduce you as the box office manager.
Yes.
So you have several jobs like those Jamaicans, right?
Yes.
What, 15 jobs, man? How many jobs you got?
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say.
Yeah.
I have 2 titles here. I do the box office manager and the volunteer coordinator.
Okay.
And then I teach the kids at the Dunbar community at Stars Complex on a Wednesday. We have a program that we kind of obligated to the city of Fort Myers.
You're bringing the arts there in some type of way?
Yes, we're bringing the arts there. We're bringing drama. We're bringing arts and craft. We just had the kids here looking at the different exhibits we have here for the Shelpoint artists that we're featuring this month.
Now, Art and Poetry Networking event that's here at the Sidney and Boren Davis tonight.
Yes.
This event happens monthly, right?
Yes.
What can people expect to take place here tonight?
So tonight, people can expect to see a variety of talents. And one of the things that the reason we have this here, and these boys, we go in a meeting with them before the show, and we say, listen, man, we want you guys to bring out some poet, bring out some songwriters, someone that could come out and bring something motivating to the community. The community
Right.
can come out and see that there's a lot of local talents here, because people don't really know that there's a lot of local talent here that is as good as a lot of the guys that already have a big break.
Mm-hmm.
These guys just haven't had a big break yet. So for us, we don't put pressure on the boys. We make it happen. We give them everything they need to make this happen here.
I mean, and walking in here and seeing what was going on tonight, we take the television show to various places. Walking in here, seeing how it was laid out and seeing the kind of people and the vibe that's in here,
yes.
It's just a really first-class
Yes.
presentation.
Yes.
In Southwest Florida, is it fair to say that Fort Myers, right here, this is the epicenter, this is the headquarters, this is where
Yes.
all the great artists and poetry is taking place, and that reputation is spreading around
Yes.
the area?
It is spreading around the area, and I feel like there was a few talents that have actually performed on the stage here that has now moved out to California, trying to push their craft a little more, and I think this platform is for a lot of artists that can come out, see what it is, build on their craft, get better at it, so people want to see you. People want to see that
What
work.
does it mean to have a television show like Lee Pitts Live here, promoting it, putting it on television for these artists, and And what does that do to raise the profile of what's happening?
This is big, man, because, you know, Lee Pitts Live it's a big deal in this community. I mean, Lee Pitts Live been around for forever, before I even came to America. So, you know, I think this right here is a major boost for an event like this, the Art and Poetry at the Sidney and Burn Davis Art Center. You know, we just got out of a big meeting with the city manager, the mayor, Chief Diggs, you know, what we're trying to bring to the downtown community. And as far as Heart go, you know, a lot of people didn't know what this was. It was a post office, then it was a courthouse. Now it's an art center that shows exhibit every month. It's beautiful.
And one of the things I noticed here is that diversity.
Yes.
You have all races, you have all
Yes.
ages, and one of the things too is you're not only going to have poetry, you're going to have music, you're
Yes.
going to have artists, writers.
Yes.
Kind of give our television audience and all the people who are seeing us around the world on social media the type of people that will be on that stage tonight.
So tonight I want to
variety
tell you
of entertainment.
The variety of entertainers. We have anywhere from American, Caribbean artists, Middle East, Europeans, everyone that has that type of skill that want to speak their piece, to show their craft. You know, so there's black, white, Indian, you know, every type
There'll
of
be music
people.
and acoustics type.
Yes, I mean the acoustics. We got magician. There's going to
Okay.
be a magician here.
What do you think
know,
about
so-
the DJ?
The DJ good.
Okay.
He knows how to spin that music. So
When people looking at their calendar and they want to get here in the future to be here live, they need to look at what date on their
it's
calendar.
every third Friday of the month.
Okay.
Every third Friday of the month, they have this goes down here.
That's the Art and Poetry Networking event.
Yes, yes. It's a
And there's some
beautiful
networking
thing.
that takes place.
You
as well.
got it, man. Their network, you know, people get plugged in.
Vendors.
They always have vendors that have their crafts out,
I see 'em.
showing their skills, you know, and it's beautiful, man. I love that. And I'm telling you, with Lee Pitts here, this is monster. I'm
right.
just excited, man.
Lee Pitts Live on Fox 4, and also you can catch us on the
I see my
radio.
boys.
We're on TV right now. You can catch us on the radio as well on
yes.
90.5 FM. That's Lee Pitts Live radio show. So all that's happening, and we're encouraging people to tune in. Well, Cornell, it's been a pleasure. I know you got to get back out there and manage that money, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was lovely.
All right, for those who say it can't be done, they're usually interrupted by those like Cornell who are doing it. We'll be right back, man. We're still on the air. We'll be right back.